When it comes to homes, some individuals go beyond, spending millions of dollars to construct some of the most abundant structures to raise their family. Ranging from historic designs to some of the most innovative contemporary architectural patterns, from seaside flats to isolated mansions, there is something for everyone. We've compiled a list of the world's 5 most costly residences for your consideration. You'll be shocked at how far individuals would go only to guarantee that they may live well in the future. Keep watching and take some inspiration from the conclusion of the documentary. Thank you for returning to our channel. As a reminder, if you haven't already, click the subscribe button and ring the bell to ensure that you are alerted whenever we release a new video. Number 5. Odin Tower Penthouse, $400 million. The penthouse in Tour Odin skyscraper in Monte Carlo, Monaco, which cost $400 million to build, opened its doors in 2015. With 49 stories, the 560-foot skyscraper is the second highest structure on the Mediterranean skyline behind the Burj Khalifa. A dedicated private elevator transports the occupants to the top of the building, where they will enjoy panoramic views of the ocean waters while gazing from some of the most luxurious rooms on the planet. There is unlimited access to the circular rooftop infinity pool with a water slide designed for adrenaline junkies, as well as the penthouse's rooftop infinity pool. Anyone's spirits may be lifted by the prospect of spending time in this luxurious apartment while on vacation with family and friends. Architect Alexander Gerardi designed the building, and Group Mazzucoco Construction constructed it. Number 4. Ville Cedric, $413 million. For those fascinated with the most costly residences in the world, this stunning 187-year-old mansion in France will surely be at the top of your list of must-sees. There are numerous amenities in this estate that are overindulging. First and foremost is the sheer size of the home, an 18,000 square foot home situated in the middle of a 35-acre estate. A walkthrough of the house will reveal 14 bedrooms, a ballroom, an elevator, a chapel, a 50-meter swimming pool dug into the rocks, an outdoor winter garden, and a stable for 30 horses. Also included is a botanical park, which is considered one of the most magnificent private gardens in all of Europe. Initially constructed in 1830 and purchased by King Leopold II of Belgium in 1904. The property's name was derived from a grove of cedar trees that can be found throughout the grounds. Inside, you'll find crystal chandeliers, gilded woodwork, 19th century oil paintings, and a wood-paneled library that contains some of the most valuable books in the world. Number 3. Villa Leopolda, $750 million. Villa Leopolda is an exceptional villa located on the heights of Villefranche-sur-Mer at the Cairo Pass between Nice and Monaco. Enjoying a breathtaking view of the Mediterranean villa, Leopolda is one of the most expensive villas in the world, according to some estimates ranking 3rd with a price tag of $750 million, or approximately 653 million euros. It is known that more spectacular events will take place at the villa. Cary Grant and Grace Kelly starred in Alfred Hitchcock's Le Main au Clair, which was filmed entirely on location here. According to the owner, the mansion, which is 2,700 square meters in size, has 10 bedrooms and is surrounded by an 8-hectare park with more than 1,200 trees of all sorts. After the death of King Leopold II of Belgium, his mistress Blanche Zilla Josephine de la Croix, also known as Caroline Lacroix, is expelled, and her nephew King Albert I becomes the owner of the former estate during the First World War. The Villa Leopolda was used as a military hospital in the city of Brussels during the Second World War. In 1987, the house was purchased by financier Edmond Safra and his wife, Lily. Since then, the mansion has held several lavish parties with visitors including the Grimaldis, Princess Fajal of Jordan, Prince Amian Aga Khan, and Aristotle Onassis, among others. Number 2. The Antilia, $2 billion. The Antilia home of business magnate Mukesh Ambani, a chairman of Reliance Industries, is named after the mythical Atlantic island. Mukesh Ambani's residence, located in South Mumbai's Alamanti Road, is estimated to be the world's second most expensive property. The high-end mansion is estimated to cost an estimated $2 billion. Here are a few reasons why Mukesh Ambani's home, Antilia, has achieved iconic status in India and around the world. According to Property Trends, the 400,000 square foot building is located in one of the world's most expensive addresses, Alamanti Road in South Mumbai. The price per square foot of any real estate on Alamanti Road ranges between a massive 80,000 rupee to 85,000 rupees. Mukesh Ambani's Antilia was designed by Chicago-based architects. The building has 27 levels, each with very high ceilings, making it an excellent investment. An Antilia building has every level the same height as a typical two-story building, and the structure can withstand an earthquake of magnitude 8 on the Richter scale. The lotus and the sun have been included in the architectural design of Antilia, which is a tropical paradise. The top 6 levels of the building have been designated as a private full-floor residential space for full-time residents. The Ambani residence is equipped with a vast temple, a slew of guest apartments, a hairdresser, an ice cream shop, and a private movie theater to seat up to 50 guests. Because Ambani has a strong need for speed, it is no surprise that the Antilia has 6 levels devoted to automobiles, including his multi-million-dollar Maybach. The garage has a capacity of 168 cars in total. The building in South Mumbai includes a specialized auto servicing station on the 7th level, which speaks to speed requirements. Antilia also has 9 high-speed elevators, each allocated to a different floor in the building. Getting used to the sweltering heat of Mumbai summers can be difficult, but for Mukesh Ambani and his family, there is a snow room to help them beat the heat. The walls of this dedicated room in the mansion spit out artificial snowflakes, and it takes up to 600 workers to keep this iconic residence in tip-top condition. Number 1. Buckingham Palace, $2.9 billion. The Buckingham Palace is the official residence of the British royal family in London and the administrative headquarters of the monarchy, making it a must-see attraction for visitors to the city. Visitors can watch the ceremonial changing of the guards in front of the palace, and tours are available to give them a glimpse inside the staterooms. Still, those only make up a small portion of the 775 rooms within the palace, with 52 of them dedicated to the royal family. Buckingham Palace is so enormous that it is easy to lose track of the number of rooms it contains. There are 775 in all, according to the official website of the British monarchy. The total number of bedrooms is 52, which comprises royal and guest rooms, 188 staff rooms, 92 offices, 78 restrooms, and 19 various staterooms are available. It appears that the royals never have to leave their home, which includes amenities such as a chapel, a post office, a staff cafeteria, a doctor's office equipped for surgical procedures, and a movie theater. There is also an indoor swimming pool, which was confirmed by the now former head of Coutts Bank in 2001. The 5 most costly properties on Earth have been revealed. Which one of them drew your attention most? Well, if you like this video, be sure to check out more videos on our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.